guys, I'm Dean. It's Friday the 5th of March and we're here in South Africa, down south, and we're about to take this barracuda boat out to sea and see some great white sharks. So let's go. So we're in white shark territory. So what we're going to do now is just suit up in our wetsuits and jump in that cage there. Let's do it.
A shark stomach is very interesting because a shark has an ability to vegetate its stomach. Sometimes a shark will confuse unwanted items that are found in the ocean as part of its diet. And if it wants to get rid of that. And the shark stomach's also got an ability to expand. Last year in July we dissected a dusky and we thought that she was pregnant. But when we cut her open, we found that there was 360 sardines inside the stomach. So they can just carry on eating and the stomach just keeps on getting bigger and bigger. So this is the shark's intestine. They don't have large intestines and small intestines like us human beings. You can see when it's opened up, it's more like a curtain. It helps the shark to feed in the dark and under dirty water. So a shark will be looking for its food. There will be some crabs that are hidden under the sand, so it can just sense it by using its snout. And it also helps the shark to pick up any electromagnetic fields that are given off by any swimming creatures. It's not much, but it's something.